In this video, I'm going to show you how you can crush the competition in real estate with the power of AI. Whether you are a seasoned agent or just starting out, these strategies will help you stay ahead of the game and dominate your market. So stick around because this is going to be a game changer for your business. Hi, my name is Rod Ferrier, one of the founders here at Create More Business Now. If you find this information helpful, please do me a favor and subscribe to this channel and smash that bell right there to get notified when I share more helpful content just like this. First up, let's talk about AI. Imagine having a virtual assistant that works 24/7, analyzing market trends, predicting property values, and even helping you target the perfect clients. AI can do that and much more. Tools like predictive analytics can forecast which properties are likely to sell fast so you can focus your effort where it counts. And chatbots, well, they can handle client inquiries instantly, freeing up your time for more important tasks that make you more money. The team here at Create More Business Now has designed chatbots that engage prospects on websites and Facebook and Instagram Messenger, as well as WhatsApp and text messages. We also use AI like ChatGPT to respond to these text messages and emails when needed. To see a live demo, I've included a link in the description below. So these chatbots not only provide instant responses, but are also helping to capture leads and nurture them until they're ready to make a decision. This seamless integration ensures that no lead falls through the cracks and every potential client gets the attention they deserve. But that's not all. AI can also help with lead generation. Ever heard of machine learning algorithms? These bad boys can sift through tons of data to identify potential buyers and sellers before they even know they're ready to make a move. And at Create More Business Now, we help clients leverage AI to build lists of clients who are ready, willing, and able to work with you. Our clients are sales teams and professionals as well as business owners. And having a list of high-quality leads delivered right to your inbox every morning is a game changer. Imagine starting your day knowing exactly who to reach out to and what their needs are. Now let's dive into marketing. Traditional marketing is great, but digital marketing is where you can really make an impact. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn offer powerful targeting tools. You can create ads that reach people based on their location, interest, and even their online behavior. And the best part, you can track the performance of your ads in real time and adjust your strategy on the fly. We use AI to develop the avatar for the ideal target audience and also use AI and automation to create and manage paid ads on Google, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and even Spotify. This allows for more accuracy and minimizes the cost of hiring an ad agency or employees full-time. With AI, you can ensure that your ads are being seen by the right people at the right time, maximizing your ROI and ensuring that your marketing budget is being spent effectively. Content marketing is another powerful tool. Start a blog, create engaging videos, or host webinars. Provide value to your audience by sharing your expertise and insights. This not only positions you as an authority in your field, but also helps build trust with potential clients. Remember, people do business with those that they know, like, and trust. And with AI, you can generate content ideas, optimize your posts for SEO, and even schedule your content to be posted at the optimal times for engagement. Email marketing shouldn't be overlooked either. Build a strong email list and send out regular newsletters with market updates, new listings, and helpful tips. Personalize your emails to make your clients feel valued. Use AI tools to analyze open rates and click-through rates to refine your strategy and increase engagement. By understanding what your audience is interested in, you can tailor your messages to meet their needs and keep them coming back for more. And let's not forget about SEO, or search engine optimization. By optimizing your website for search engines, you can attract organic traffic from people searching for real estate services in your area. Use relevant keywords, create high quality content, and ensure your website is mobile friendly. The higher you rank on search engines, the more visibility you'll gain. To make this process even easier, I've added a link in the description to an AI-powered blog and article writer. This AI writing tool can create one-click SEO optimized articles, blog posts, and affiliate content in 48 languages, auto-posted to your WordPress site with AI-generated images. What used to take 8 hours just to write one blog post can now be done in seconds. There's also a link in the description to a real estate website that uses this amazing tool. Our AI-powered marketing and sales platform is called AIM, or AI Magnetic Marketing, and it offers even more functionalities. AIM integrates seamlessly with your CRM, automates follow-ups, and provides comprehensive analytics. This tool is designed to help sales professionals, entrepreneurs, business owners create more business now by leveraging the power of AI. Now, let's bring it all together. Combining AI with advanced marketing strategies creates a powerhouse effect. Imagine using AI to analyze your marketing campaigns and identify which strategies are bringing in the best results. You can then double down on what's working and ditch what isn't. This data-driven approach ensures you are always on top of your game. So here's a quick recap. Use AI for marketing analysis, lead generation, and customer service. Leverage digital marketing to reach your target audience effectively. Focus on content marketing to establish yourself as an authority and use SEO to attract organic traffic. Personalize your email marketing to keep your audience engaged. And by implementing these strategies, you'll not only stay ahead of the competition, but also provide a superior experience for your clients. The real estate market is evolving, and those who adapt will thrive. So start integrating AI and advanced marketing techniques into your business today and watch your success soar. Before we wrap up, I want to take this time and ask you again to do me a favor. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, smash that bell right there to get notified, and also share your thoughts in the comments. What are some things that you are using AI for right now? And make sure to check out my upcoming video titled How Zillow's Takeover of Follow Up Boss Impacts Real Estate Agents. This video dives deep into what this major acquisition means for you and how you can leverage it to your advantage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to apply these AI and marketing strategies to dominate your market. Stay tuned for more insights, and I'll see you in the next video.